Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifeoma. If this is your first time and you are watching Ifeoma's channel, I want to thank all my old and new subscribers for joining the family. I really appreciate you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. I really appreciate. God bless you all. Now in this video, I'm going to be telling you 15 things you probably didn't know about me, or should I call it get to know me better. But I choose 15, but because that 40 question, I cannot do it. It's too much. So I choose 15 most important things you want to know about me, okay? And the first question goes like this. How old are you? I am 33 years. I turned 33 this month of March on the 15th, okay? Are you married? Yes, I am married. At what age did you get married? I get married at the age of 19. Do I start having kids after marriage? No, I started having kids at the age of 23, okay? That is number 2. Number 3 question. Do you have kids? Yes, I have had 5 kids, but unfortunately my first son died, so I now have 4. Okay. Where do you live? I live in Italy. What's your favorite food? I like pizza. Since I grew up here in Italy, I love pizza, okay? But when it comes to Nigerian food, I love jollof rice with fried plantain and fried chicken. That one, I love it. Number 6. What's your favorite hobby? What do I like to do? I love to exercise. I love exercise. I cannot do without. I love exercise. Then my second thing is shopping. I love shopping. I love fashion, okay? I love fashion. See my shirts. It's fashionable. I love it, okay? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. I love pink. Right from my childhood, I have always loved pink. But growing up, I come to love black and the nude color on me. They really fit me well. Oh God, I love it. But my favorite color is pink. Number 8. Things that really upset you. Things that upset me, for example, is like, I am eating. Somebody is eating, and you just come and ask, are you eating? It does not make any sense. You saw that person eating, you're asking, are you eating? It does not make any sense. So it really gets me upset. Number 9. Where do you come from? I come from Nigeria. Of course, I am a Nigerian from Igbo tribe. Number 10. How many languages do you speak? I speak 3 languages. Igbo, my native language, English and the Italian language. But what language do I flow more is the Italian language. I flow more in Italian, okay? I know it's kind of strange because you haven't heard me in my channel speak Italian language, but trust me, Italian language is my language. So where I was before my son wake up and I have to attend to him, okay? So I was number 11. Can you drive? Yes, I can drive. I took my driving license earlier last year. Earlier last year. So I have my driving license. Number 12. Who is your favorite YouTuber? Myself, okay? This question get us video, so I don't want to cause wahala. So myself. Number 13. What is your favorite drink? My favorite drink is water. But when it comes to juice, if I take juice sometimes, I like pineapple juice because I love the flavor of pineapple. So apart from water, pineapple juice. So number 14. I have answered this question, which is who is my favorite YouTuber? Myself. Who is your favorite music artist? Well, I have always have passion for Sinach or Sinachi. I love Snatch. Now I also love Chinwo, Mercy Chinwo, that new artist. Okay, I like her. I love her music. Then number 15th and the last question is what is your shoe size? My shoe size. Okay, number 15th, what is your shoe size? My shoe size is 38. I can also wear a bigger 37, but my normal size is 38. So guys, I hope I answered this question fine. I hope I answered well. I hope you get to know me better, because since I started making video, taking this channel more seriously, I have not come and talk about me more about me. I've only been making videos on the DIY and other stuff, but I hope with this video I have answered some of your questions I get mostly asked, and I hope that we are more bound together. Okay, we go bound together. I hope you subscribe to my channel because it's free of charge. They pay money for subscription, it's free of charge. Okay, in fact, the more you subscribe, you are the one to benefit, because we'll be throwing you more videos. So please subscribe to my channel, hit that red button that says subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so that you will be notified each time I post a video. Alright, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Don't. Okay, so guys, this is the end of this video. I enjoy making this video. I enjoy answering the questions. I hope I will get to see you in my next video. So for now, bye bye. Thank you for watching.